be happening? We just went into the fourth dimension here.
Case of the missing electricity.
Reference for documenting dates that the following took place. I have kept a log of interesting events that have taken place in my own life, so I'm able to accurately document exactly the date that what I'm about to relate took place. And my log entry for October 14th, 1990, approximately 11 p.m. My journal entry says that we left for Mike's at 2040. Originally, this ring, originally the ring was the same color as the pendant. It was not until the following day that I noticed that it had significantly lightened. I was wearing the amethyst ring also, which was the equivalent depth of darkness as the pendant.
Okay, what were you doing during the experiment?
During the experiment, I was standing by the light switch while Warren was filming an experiment that he and Mike were conducting.
Okay, the experiment was mainly conducted in using plasmoids and energy fields. It was not a controlled experiment. However, the device did trigger infrared sensors some 40 feet away, and it was brought to our attention the next day of the decoloration of the gem. The only thing we can gather is that for gems like this to be decolored, there have to have been X-ray or gamma ray present. However, no such evidence exists that we can tell, although we did not have a controlled experiment to validate this further.
Okay.
And this is the color it originally was. After the experiment, this is the color it became. Same stone. Here's another stone, which is what?
That's amethyst.
Amethyst. Now we don't have a reference stone to show you, but you can see the decoloration in it. So it's not just apparent to one type of gem.
These stones, both the pendant and the ring, are smoky topaz from South Korea, so I'm sure there could be a reference made to verify the original color of the stone. My journal entry for the 15th of October at 14:30 hours was where I made notice of the depth of the color of my stones in the rings being changed or lightened. And for some reason, I immediately made the connection with the previous night's demonstration. And I called Warren and asked if that could, in fact, have taken place. Again, the date of the experiment was October 14th, 1990. I had been wearing the topaz ring since 1982. The amethyst ring I had been wearing since 1989, both more or less constantly with no change prior to this experiment. I was not wearing the pendant on the night of this experiment. The pendant is used only as a reference to the color of the topaz ring.
And your name again?
My name is Charlotte Guy.